If you're experiencing issues with the CS2 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by trying to load a website or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve update issues. Restart your computer or gaming device to clear any temporary glitches that may be affecting the update process. Step 3. Clear cache and temporary files. Clearing the cache and temporary files related to the game can help. Navigate to the Settings or Storage Management section of your device, find the CS2 files, and clear any cache data. This can free up space and potentially resolve update issues. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes pending system updates can interfere with game updates. Go to your system settings and check for any available updates, then install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update continues to be stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can ensure that you have the latest version and that any corrupted files are replaced. Be sure to back up any saved data if necessary before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the CS2 update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.